Hello. Today I will present Nolly hypothesis, problem and solution. Okay. Researchers are interested in the mean age of certain population, a random sample of 10 individuals then from the population of interest had a mean of 37. Assuming that the population is approximately normally distributed with variance 20, can we conclude that the mean of difference from 30 years? Define significant level equal 0.05. Okay, first step. Define mu equal the population is approximately. Okay, next step. H sub 0 mu equal 30 and H sub 1 mu not equal 30. Next step. A significant equal 0.05. Okay. Use set table. Okay, next step. Define a critical zone or a zone to reject the main hypothesis. Draw a graph. This 0. Here 0.025. This same. We know 1 minus 0.025 equal 0.975. Open the table, set table. Okay. We get 1.96 and minus 1.96. Okay, next step. Test statistic. Z equal x bar minus mu divided by the population variance divided by square root n equal 27 minus 30 divided 4.47 divided square root 10. We will get z equal minus 2.12. Okay, the last step. We will get z equal minus 2.1 point less than minus 1.96. So, hence we reject the main hypothesis. H sub 0 mu equal 30 at a significant. Okay, so we can conclude that mu is not equal to 30. Okay, thank you so much.
Example, in recent years, the mean IQ of all college students in City X has been 23, a random sample of 42 students. River IQ of 23.8 supports the IQ are normally distributed with a population standard. Deviation of sigma equal 2.4 can be inferred as alpha equal 0.02 that the population mean IQ has changed. From example, n equal 42, x bar equal 23, sigma x bar equal 23.8 sigma equal 2.4. Solution. From example, no hydrolysis 0 equal 23. Alternate hypothesis 1 mu not equal 23. Next step, alpha equal 0.02. Next step, see distribution table. Form 2 test the rejection region will be in broad tail of the distribution. 0.01. Form table, C table. C equal negative 2.33. C equal 2.33. Next step, C equal x by negative mu by sigma by square root 40 n. It's equal x by 23.8 negative 23 by 2.4 by 42. So C equal 2.16. Yes. 2.16. Okay. Sin C equal 2.16 rather than 2.33. So fail to reject new hypothesis. fail to reject new hypothesis. Last step. So there is not enough evidence the mean Aki has changed
a random sample of 27 observations from a large population had a mean of 22 and a standard deviation of 4.8. Can we conclude at alpha equals 0.01 that the population mean is significantly below 24? Solution. Step 1. Mu equal the population mean. Step 2. The alternative hypothesis. The population mean is less than 24. The null hypothesis. The population mean is greater or equal to 24. Step 3. Alpha equal 0.01. Step 4. Now this is a lecture test. Alpha equals 0.01. So that critical or rejection region will be in the left tail of the distribution because we only have the simple standard deviation and not population. We will conduct a t-test. Step 5. Open the T distribution table. Degree of freedom equal n minus 1 equal 27 minus 1 equal 26. Since we are conducting one tail test and alpha equal 0.01, for the test, the corresponding critical value will be this 2.479. But because this is a lecture test, it will actually be a negative 2.479. Step 6. Test statistics. T equal x bar minus mu or divided by a standard divided by square root of a random simple. T equal 22 minus 24 or divided by 4.8 divided by square root 27. T equal negative 2.165. Step 7. T equal negative 2.479 less than negative 2.165 or is not in the rejection region, so we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Fail to reject the null hypothesis can support the alternative ไม่ใช่อันนี้ the alternative hypothesis at alpha equals 0.01. So at alpha equal 0.01, there is not enough divided that evidence that the population mean is less than 24. Thank you.
Number 2. Accompany manufacture car battery with an average lifespan of 2 or more years and engineer believes this value to be left using 10 simple. He measured
the average lifespan to be 1.8 year and with a standard deviation of 0.15. A. State new and alternative hypothesis. B. At a 99% confidence level, is there enough evidence to discard the new hypothesis? H0 colon mu greater 2 more year HA colon mu less than side 2 year. Zone point B. At a 99% alpha equal 0.01, and the engineer turns simple. He measured the average life to be 1.8 year. 1.8 year. The simple deviation of 0.15. 0.15 mu equal 2 more. Different equal n minus 1 10 minus 1 equal 9. Alpha 0.01 equal 2.8214. Alpha plus 2.82 minus alpha minus 2.82 alpha minus minus 2.82 T minus no T equal simple minus mu simple standard deviation square root n equal 1.8 0.15. Standard deviation square root 10. Equal minus 0.2, 0.047434 t equal minus 4.22.
A first story has a message that this patient exceeds milliliters of fluid. A noster and expert believes the average amount of fluid is not 80 milliliters. Using 40 samples is measured the avalanche dispersion by the message to be 78 milliliters with a standard deviation of 2.5. A stress the nurse and alternatives hypothesis B that's a 95% confidence level is that enough evidence to support the idea that the message is not working properly. Solution S0 equal x3 S1 not equal x3. Step 2 alpha equal 0.5. Step 3 drawing the graphs. Zero dot 0.25 0.025 minutes 1.96 1.96 Step 4 x bar equal 78 s equal 2.5 n equal 40 c equal x bar minutes minus 0 minus 0 by s by square root n equal 78 minus xt by 2.5 2.5 by square root 40 equal minus 2 by 0 dot 3 9 5 to 8 c equal minus 5 dot 0 6. Thank you.
Example: the stat teacher confirmed have the Alice exam score of the student. The first class student received a high score as that of second class at least 12.2. Then the confirm the in the safe home 15 student is boom class home is you the have the student appear as is class 1 is have a mean score of 6.7 student dividends of 6.28 and second grades have a mean score of 77.8 student DVD is of 6.61. Take the excess confirm as level. From the problem, the forest that will be often x bar 1 equal is 6.7 x1 equal 6.28 x1 equal 15 x bar 1 equal 17.8 x2 step 1. High pot to side. H0 equal 12. H1 equal not equal 12 สเต็ปที่ 2 alpha equal 0.05 erase กับ สเต็ปที่ 3 deny alien0 is C hashtag ego negative C 0 5 C 0 negative 1.645 สเต็ปที่ 4 C equal x bar 1 negative x bar 2 negative mu 1 negative mu 2 by square root s1 square 2 by s2 square 2 part s2 square 2 by n2 specify because C equal negative 2.605 for each arc. The coordinate is 4 beside these two linkages S statistic connection. The teacher connection is not true.
Is there a difference between the variance of the number of week on the bad seller list. For non-fiction and fiction book, 15 New York Times best-selling fiction book had a standard deviation of 6.17 weeks on the list. 16 New York Times best-selling non-fiction book had a standard significant level. Can we conclude there is a difference is the variance f square to not equal variance n can f square to solution variance f square to equal n can f square to h1 variance f square to not equal variance n can f square to delta f by n equal 15 s equal 6 not 17 alpha equal 0 not 10 n can f by n equal 16 s equal 13 not 12 f equal s n can f square 2 by s f square 2 equal 30 not 12 square 2 by 6 not 17 square 2 equal 4 not 5 double 2.
A school principal would like to know which days of the week students are most likely to be absent. The principal expects that students will be absent equally during the 5-day school week. The principal selects a random sample of 100 teachers asking
them with day of week they has the highest number of student absences. The observer and expected results are shown in the table below. Based on this result today for the highest number of absences occur with equal efficiencies use a 5% significant level. Observer absences Monday 23, Tuesday 16, Wednesday 14, Thursday 19, Friday 28. Explicit absences Monday 20, Tuesday 20, Wednesday 20, Thursday 20, Friday 20. Step 1. Solution. Step 1. H0 equal efficiency H1 unequal efficiency Step 2. df equal n minus 1 equal 5 minus 1 equal 4. Step 3. X square equals sigma O minus E all square by E. Step 4. Sketch graph. Zero point 0.05 9.49 Step 5. X squared equal 3 square by 20 plus minus 4 square by 20 plus minus 6 square by 20 plus minus 1 square by 20 plus 8 square by 20 equal 126 by 20. X square equal 6.3. Last step. So we check the alternative hypothesis. Last step, solely check the alternative. Last step, solely check the alternate hypothesis. Okay, thank you.
The standard deviation of exam score in the Math Department of local college is 8.6. A professor believed this value to be less. He sampled 20 exam score and find that the standard deviation is 6.9. Does this sample provide enough evidence to suggest that the two standard deviation is less than 8.6? Solution. Step 1. Variance is the variance of exam score in the Math Department Step 2. The null hypothesis is variance more than equal to x.6 square. The opportunity hypothesis is variance less than 8.6 square. N is 20. Degree of freedom is 19. Step 3. Alpha is 0.05. Step 4. Drawing the graph. Step 5. Open table of chi-square. Is 10, 1, 2. Step 6. Is n minus 1 s square by variance is 20 minus 1 6.9 square by x.6 square is 12.23. Step 7. Sonas rejects the null hypothesis.
A guidance counselor claims that the students in a correct prep program have a higher mean ACT score than the students in the general program. 45 students who were randomly selected from the correct prep program have a mean ACT score of 74.1 with a population standard deviation of 4.6. The mean ACT score of 42 randomly selected students from the general program is 20.2 with a population standard deviation of 5.2 at 5% level of significance. Can you support the guardian counselor claim? Solution. Step 1. Mu1 represent mean of student. Incorrect prep mu2 represents mean of student general program. Step 2. Hypothesis. Mu1 is less than or equal to mu2. Hypothesis. mu1 is greater mu2. Step T. Alpha is 0.05. Step 4. Drop on my picture. Step 5. C equal x bar 1 minus x bar 2 minus mu 1 minus mu 2. Over the population standard deviation square over n1. Plus sigma 2 square over n2 equal to x bar 1 is 74.1 minus x bar 2 is 20.2. Four point six square over 45 plus 5.2 square over 42. C equal to 3.695. P 10 P is 1 E minus 4 equal to 0.0001. And you can reading it write this, but that's what our conclusion give us. Remember that this means 1 time 10 to the negative 4, which means that we really have 0.0001. Step 6. Last. Compare. P. Compare P while to alpha zero point 0.0001 is less 0.05. Rejects hypothesis.
Okay, for this problem is about hypothesis testing, solving problem with proportions. A tech company believes that the percentage of residents in town XYZ that own a cell phone is 70%. A marketing manager believes this value to be different. He conducts a survey of 200 individuals and found that 130 respond yes to owning a cell phone. A. State the new and alternative hypothesis. B. At a 95% confidence level, is there enough evidence to reject the new hypothesis? Okay, we're gonna start. Solution. The first step, we're gonna have P is the percentage of residents in town X, Y, Z. That's on a cell phone. Okay. Step 2. The new hypothesis is P equal 0.7 and the alternative hypothesis is P not equal 0.7, and we have N equal 200 and X equal 130, and we have find P hat is X by N is equal 130 by 200 equal 0.65. Okay, we have a P hat. Step 3. Alpha is 0.05. And step 4. We're gonna have a graph. The graph of C value is like this, and in the middle is 0. In alpha equals 0.05. So we have the left area and the right area is equal 0.025 and 0.025. Okay, so step 5, we gonna open the table C of value. C value is 0.025 is equal 0.975. We're gonna open C value table. Okay, you see it in the 0.975. C is 1.96. We have 96 and minus negative 1.96. Okay, step 6. From Z equal P hat minus P by square P Q by N. We have P hat is 0.65, 0.65 minus P is 0.7 by square. P is 0.7 and Q is 0.3 by N is 200. Okay, so C is minus 1.54. Okay, the last step, step 7. So we're gonna place the C value on the graph. So negative 1.54 is like this, minus 1.54. So this value is noted that is in the field to reject this normal description. So that means we cannot reject the null hypothesis, which implies we should accept it. Accept the null hypothesis. Okay, the answer we can say at a 95% confidence level, there is not enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Okay, this is the answer.
Okay, Researchers suspect that myopia is becoming more common over time. A study from the year 2000 showed 132 cases of myopia in 400 randomly selected people. A separate study from 2015 showed 228 cases in 600 randomly selected people at significant level at 0.05. Solution. Step 1. Formulate hypothesis, non-hypothesis. Simple population 1 equals simple population 2. Alternative hypothesis. Simple population 1 over simple population 2. Okay, next step. Step 2. Significance level at 0.05. T-step. Using of C table. First step. Find a critical region at significance level at 0.05. 5 step. Calculation. C equal simple population 1 minus simple population 2 divide square root simple population command dot 1 minus simple population command 1 divide n1 plus 1 divide n2. 5. Simple population command equal 132 plus 228 divide 1000 equal to 0.36. C equal 228 divide 600 minus 132 divide 400 divide square root 0.36 dot 0.64 1 divide 600 minus 1 divide 400. C equal 1.61. Okay, final. Fail to reject null hypothesis. We can say that there is not enough evidence to suggest myopia becoming more common.